great, so I keep it all on a silver plate in life, trying to make it out of this place safe tonight. All these colours and shapes that I can never visualise. When she tried to explain, it complicates the reasons why. Let me trip through the pain and through the needle of a night. Let me swim in the rain before the sky turns bright. How could I ever break these chains and ascertain the acid rain? Cause at the moment it just seems like we're running back again. I just wanna hallucinate and lift away when we drift away. Listen babe to everything that you have gotta say. Don't pretend it's like it never ever ends, and hold your breath while the world just seems to bend. Cause I can't comprehend, I swear we've been here all weekend. And I don't mean to condescend, but I don't care about your friends. I swear we all just caught flames, alright, when I aquaplane through champagne tonight, trying to ride on this candy cane despite